Residential pressure washing is an effective and efficient way to clean the exterior of your home in Austin. Whether you're looking to remove dirt, mold, mildew, or other buildup, pressure washing can enhance your home's curb appeal and protect it from long-term damage. However, to get the best results from your pressure washing service, it's important to properly prepare your home beforehand. Proper preparation ensures that the process goes smoothly, protects your property, and helps achieve optimal results. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the key steps you should take to prepare your Austin home for residential pressure washing. Choose the right time for pressure washing. Austin's weather can be unpredictable, so it's important to pick the right time for your pressure washing. Avoid pressure washing during rainy or windy days, as this can affect the efficiency of the cleaning process. Additionally, avoid pressure washing on extremely hot days when the water may evaporate too quickly, leaving streaks or spots. The ideal time to pressure wash your home in Austin is during mild, dry weather, usually in the spring or fall. Be sure to check the weather forecast and plan your pressure washing service for a day when the conditions will be just right. Clear the area around your home before your pressure washing service arrives. It's essential to clear the area around your home. This step not only helps the professionals access all the areas they need to clean, but it also protects your landscaping, furniture, and personal belongings from damage. Move outdoor furniture. Chairs, tables, and planters should be moved to a safe distance away from the areas being cleaned. This prevents them from getting sprayed with high-pressure water or being knocked over during the cleaning. Remove decorations. Take down hanging decorations, such as wreaths or wind chimes, to prevent them from getting soaked or damaged. Protect delicate plants. If you have delicate plants near the home's exterior, cover them with plastic sheets or burlap to protect them from the pressure washing. You can also temporarily relocate them away from the house if possible. Check for items on the ground. Ensure that the driveway, walkways, and other surfaces are free from loose items like toys, bikes, or garden tools that could obstruct the cleaning process or be damaged by the water. Close all windows and doors. It's essential to close all windows and doors tightly before pressure washing. High-pressure water can seep into your home through small cracks or gaps, causing water damage to your interior. Be sure to double-check that all windows, doors, and vents are securely closed before the cleaning crew arrives. If you have any vents or air conditioning units on the exterior, cover them with plastic to prevent water from entering. Check for damaged surfaces. Pressure washing is a powerful cleaning tool, and it's important to make sure that your home's surfaces are in good condition before the process begins. Inspect your home's exterior for loose or damaged siding, shingles, or paint. Pressure washing could worsen any existing damage or cause materials to loosen, resulting in further harm. Fix or replace damaged surfaces. If you notice any areas that need repair, take care of these issues before pressure washing to avoid exacerbating the damage. Consider repainting. If you have peeling paint on wooden surfaces, it may be best to repair and repaint these areas before pressure washing, as high-pressure water can cause paint to chip and peel further. Cover and protect electrical fixtures. For safety reasons, make sure to cover electrical outlets, light fixtures, and wiring with plastic to prevent water from entering. Electrical systems and outlets should be shielded from the water spray, as moisture can cause damage and create a safety hazard. If you have outdoor electrical equipment like outlets, light switches, or fans near the areas to be pressure washed, it's a good idea to cover them with a plastic tarp or bag. If the pressure washing team is handling the equipment, they will likely take precautions, but it's always good to be safe and make sure everything is properly shielded. Remove exterior screen. If you have screened windows or doors, remove the screens before the pressure washing crew arrives. The high pressure water could cause the screens to tear or become dislodged, potentially causing damage. Take a few minutes to remove any window or door screens in the areas to be cleaned and place them in a safe location. This will ensure that the pressure washing team can clean the area thoroughly without damaging these delicate items. Inform the pressure washing team of specific areas of concern. If you have particular areas of your home that need extra attention, such as stubborn stains, mold or mildew buildup, or areas with heavy dirt, be sure to communicate this to your pressure washing team beforehand. Providing specific instructions ensures that the crew knows which areas require more focused cleaning, ensuring that no spots are missed. If you have any specific concerns, such as sensitive surfaces like wooden decks or painted walls, inform the team so they can adjust the water pressure accordingly. High-pressure water can damage delicate surfaces if not used correctly, so providing guidance ensures that the cleaning process is done safely and effectively. Prepare for post-cleaning cleanup. While pressure washing can dramatically improve the appearance of your home's exterior, there might be some post-cleaning mess to deal with, especially in areas like gutters, driveways, and patios. Prepare to clean up any debris that may be left behind after the pressure washing is done, such as dirt or water residue. You might also want to inspect areas like windows to make sure there is no leftover water streaking or dirt left behind, although a good pressure washing service should leave your surfaces spotless. Properly preparing your home for residential pressure washing in Austin ensures that you get the most out of the service while protecting your property. By taking the time to clear areas around your home, secure windows and doors, cover electrical fixtures, and communicate specific concerns, you help the professionals achieve a thorough and effective cleaning. With the right preparation, pressure washing can dramatically improve the appearance, value, and longevity of your home's exterior. So, if you're looking to refresh your home's curb appeal or protect its surfaces, contact a trusted pressure washing service in Austin and get ready for a clean,